Hey everyone, this is Dan from the Digital Marketing Toolkit, and today we're going to go over how to find the hex code of a color. Now, I know what you're thinking. What the heck is a hex code anyway? Well, simply put, a hex code is just a way to identify a specific color using a series of numbers and letters. It's mainly used for things like websites and digital designs. They always start out with a pound sign followed by 6 characters. Those characters control how much red, green, and blue are mixed to create the color. If you've ever seen a code like hashtag FF0000, that represents pure red. It's super useful for whenever you need to match the exact colors used for things like your logo and other graphics. Have you ever tried working with a graphic designer and not knowing what to say when asked for your company's hex codes? Well, don't feel bad. Most people's eyes would glaze over if you asked them the same question. I'm going to save you some time by walking you through the fastest and the easiest way to find the hex code of any color from any image for free with 0 software downloads. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to colorpickerfromimage.com. It's a free tool that works directly in your web browser. Then click on the Browse button and select the file you want to analyze. For this example, I'll use our company logo. If you're a business owner, just grab a high-quality version of your logo in either PNG or JPEG format, or you can even use a screenshot, but if you have the actual file, I highly recommend using that instead. Now, once your image loads, your cursor will turn into a circular selector. Simply click on any part of the image and the associated hex code will instantly appear. It also gives you the RGB values in case your designer needs those as well. If your logo has multiple colors, you can hover over the different areas to get the exact hex code for each section. Keep in mind that if your logo has a color gradient, it'll give you more than one hex code. After this, make sure to copy the hex codes and save them in a place that you won't forget. To ensure that your branding stays consistent across all your marketing materials, you can create a brand kit using a design tool like Canva or Adobe Express. If you're working with a designer, just send them the hex codes to make sure that anything they create uses the exact colors in your branding. So now that you know how to find a color's hex code, what's the first thing you'll use it for? Will it be your logo, your website, or something else? Let me know in the comments. In closing, if you don't have a logo or your current one needs a refresh, don't rely on AI. When it comes to your branding, invest the money to ensure that your logo has a professional, unique look that truly represents your business, because first impressions matter. We design handcrafted, one-of-a-kind logos that make your brand unforgettable. No generic AI templates, just real custom designs built by humans for your business. We're currently offering 50% off, so make sure to visit bnfps.com/logo to get in touch. Thank you for watching the Digital Marketing Toolkit. I'll see you guys in the next video.